Yes. Next category, Dr. Mehra here. Question regarding causes and cure of some diseases. That is high blood sugar, anemia, high blood pressure, care for diabetes. So this is all high blood sugar, and I'm talking first about the high blood sugar. This is due to right Swazistan and left Nabi. If we is due to too much thinking, stress and strain. That is why the people they get high blood sugar, because the fat cell of the body gets into the brain, and then the thinking goes on about the future, and stress and strain due to pancreas is affected. So the mother has told that you have to clear your right Swaristan and left Nabi. For that, Hazrat Ali Fatima B mantra is recommended. Think you should not think too much. Pay no attention to your habits. Clear. Don't fear for anything. So adds to your vulnerability. Feels guilty. You should not feel guilty for anything. All fat cells are used by the brain. Hazrat Ali mantra and Fatima B. You can put your ice pack also. Clear your agya. Forgive. At the agya, raise left to right. Ice pack on right Swazistan and right Swazistan and Nabi, right Nabi. And you can do candle on the left Nabi also. Next is anemia. Anemia is a loss of that cell in blood. It is due to left side problem. When you are very rushy in everything, that creates your affect your this red blood cells in body. So this is the left side problem. You can clear your left nabi and left vishuddhi. That will clear your this spleen problem. It's all due to spleen. Spleen is affected if you are rushing everything, like going in rush to office, and then every time you are rushing everything. So don't read newspaper in the morning. Mother has told, try to avoid newspaper. This all news in the morning. So that will clear your. You can take sabja. Sabja mother has given, this is the Indian herbal. You can soak it there in the water and take it in the morning. You can take this what we can say. Uh, we have got uh, some uh, I mean we say it like a sabja. You can see what is the English name, I don't know, but it is very good for your anemia. High blood pressure. High blood pressure is also the right side problem. Right forestan and right nabi you have to clear. You can put your right hand, left hand on your right nabi and right forestan and say Ganesh Shisham. You can put soap, ice pack, put soap 2-3 times. You can use ice pack, raise left to right. So this problem is right side, and clear your agya, because when you are thinking too much, it all affect your right side. So clear your agya, forgive, and that will lower down. If you do left to right, that will also affect it, your right side. So I think it is very clear. Okay. Care for diabetes, I have already told you. You can cure for diabetes means you can clear your right Swaristan, left Nabi. Okay. You can go for liver diet and avoid using too much sugar, avoid using too much fried food, avoid using too much your carbohydrates, and take care of your lifestyle. Diabetes is a problem of the lifestyle. You should be in time. You should take your meal, and you sleep earlier, and meditate properly. That will keep your stress away, and you will relieve it. Thank you. Jai Shri Mata. Next category.
Question related to intestine.
Jai Shri Mataji.
Yes. This is for me. 15.
You are taking?
Yeah.
So this the question related with the intestines, it covers the constipation, intestinal worms, irritable bowel, intestinal colitis. This is all related with the void. The constipation is right Mooladhara. When there is a heat, it dries up the water, and the body becomes dry, and it tends to constipation. For that, we have to clear the right Mooladhara, right hand towards Shri Mataji, left hand on the Mother Earth. And we can take Ganesha Dhavishirsha or Shri Kartikeya mantra 4 times, or we can take Shri Kartikeya's 108 names to pull the right Mooladhara. We have to drink a lot of water. We have to follow the liver diet, or if there is a constipation. Intestinal worms is again related with this only, and now the whole world is adopt the hygiene, and this intestinal worms is because of improper hygiene or ill hygienic conditions. About food we have to wash and use. Utensils we have to wash. Before food we have to wash our hands with soap and water. Whatever is happening nowadays in lockdown, we are learning this good habit, which we for the modern times we are thinking that this is something modern, that we should not wash our hands, and we should not follow the hygiene discipline. So for that, again come back to this all discipline. We are in lockdown and started learning again cleaning habits or the hygiene. It automatically prevents the worms in the intestines. So it is very simple when we taking proper hygiene and proper diet, these worms will go away. For this, we can use a lot of water to drink, clearing the Mooladhara, right Mooladhara. When we clear the right Mooladhara, it helps to remove or destroy the worms. Irritable bowel syndrome, where we cannot digest anything, and it affects the whole system of our Navi. And to strengthen our Navi, we have to take a help of void. So Adiguru Dattatreya is helping to clear this irritable bowel syndrome. In the foot soap, we have to take 108 names of Sri Adiguru Dattatreya. We might take it becomes a chronic, so it might take long time. So every day we have to do for 3 months. Who are having this irritable bowel syndrome or irritable bowel symptoms, taking Adiguru Dattatreya in foot soap for 3 months will help. Intestinal colitis. Colitis is the swelling. Again, it is coming with the combination of the left and the right. We have to clear our left channel, and at the same time we have to cool down the heat of the Muladhara. So what we have to do, both hands on the Mother Earth and take Ganesha Vishirsha. It will clear the both channels and this colitis, the swelling on that area will reduce. Jai Shri Mata Di. Thank you. Next slide.
Yes. Now is a question regarding physical exercise. And this is a very, when and how much physical exercise recommended during a week. Yes, very nice. So in the modern time, modern Hatha Yoga is a set of exercises. You get problem in the Hatha Yoga. Mother has said that Hatha Yoga is not good for your health. It's because when you do Hatha Yoga, left side is neglected, leading to dryness and left heart start catching. Do exercise only when after realization, because realize अपना सहयोगी should, when exercise, do the exercise, attention should be on the Sastrara. It should be on Sastrara and should be very little exercise. Mother has recommended during her talk in 1983, March, February, March, this is March or February in the 1983, it's a February. Shri Mataji has given a lecture that you can do exercise little bit on Muladhara, you can do butterfly, you can do Swadhisthana Chakra, you can do Lom Vilom little bit, and pranayam you can do slowly with the fairly slowly, breaking and out very slowly, keeping attention on Sahasrara. You should not do very static, very hard exercises. That will create you problem. So you can do little exercise and little pranayam. You can listen to Mother Talk 1983 March 2. Then come the chronic cystitis. Cystitis is a chronic digestive problem. Dr. Naina has already told you IBD. This is a irritable bowel syndrome. So this is also a digestive problem. It's a left side problem. Clear your void, Nabi, Swadhisthana, keeping both hands toward the Mother Earth. That will clear it. Jai Shri Mataji. Next category.
Jai Shri Mata Ji, this is cover all the heart problems. The lethargic heart is called as angina, where the left Vishuddhi get affected and it gives the problem to the heart, and there is a pain in the heart. So for this, lethargic heart clear the left Vishuddhi. Keeping right hand on the left Vishuddhi, Shri Vishnu Maya Mantra 3 times. Don't feel guilty about anything because we are Sahaj Yogis and we know we have, we are the spirits. So when we are spirit, we should not feel guilty. So the lethargic heart will get better. Diarrhea, dizziness, obsessive thoughts. These are the various combinations. This diarrhea is because of the left Muladhara. So right hand on the Mother Earth, and we can take Ganesha Vishesha for this diarrhea. It is, we can see that most of the time this diarrhea is bringing us the balanced state, or it is the central channel clearance, or we are in the center, because whatever is there, the problems, in the void or anywhere, that all negativity is flushed out in the form of diarrhea. So it is a good sign actually. But if it is goes long and we are becoming more tired and weak, that time we have to take this Sri Ganesha Dhavishirsha on left Muladhara. Dizziness is again with this, it is a combination. It involves the liver, it involves the agya. Obsessive thoughts is also the agya, where it related with the Muladhara chakra. So for this, we have to clear the Muladhara chakra, that is keeping both hands on the Mother Earth and taking Ganesha Vishirsha. It will help for the dizziness. It will help the obsessive thoughts. For the dizziness, we can keep this left hand on the lever and take Ganesha Vishirsha to pull down the lever. It might be because of the ear problem or the eye problem or the agya headaches. That is also when we clear the Vishuddhi chakra, it will help us to pull down or get down or get rid of this disease. We can take the Allahu Akbar to clear the Vishuddhi chakra. Now, this the extra systole at bedtime. It is a kind of a palpitation or the heartbeat when we are feeling insecure, but that insecurity is coming from the right side. Sri Mataji has given the beautiful relationship between the deities, how they are interconnected as a brothers and sisters. So the Sri Shiva's sister is Sri Saraswati. So when we are using more Saraswati side, that means the right side, the Shiva is actually not getting, not feeling all right. So it giving some symptoms like this, so that we should stop the right-sided activity. So this extra systole is a right side problem. Mitral valve prolapse again. When we are more right-sided, the physical part of the heart started showing some symptoms because we are not controlling our right channel, right side. And again, the stent in heart, that is also because there is a problem on the physical heart, because we are using more right side. Again, we have to pull down the right side. We have to slow down the things. It is all the Sri Mataji says that Sri Hanumana has to pray when we are more right-sided. Hanumana actually reduce or stop or give the break to the activities. So in this all science, we are actually look inside and try to avoid the things which are giving the right-sidedness. So this is the Sri Hanumana's work or that job to break the things. So these all the changes which we are facing regarding the heart is all to show or to introspect that how far we are running. We have to control ourselves. We have to use our discretion, how much taking care of the activities of our day-to-day life, and how to slow down the activities if it is we can help. We can take the help of the collectivity. What happens in general that we try to cover everything. We wanted to do every job. This job is also mine, that job is also mine. We are not trust to any other colleagues or friends or the people which are around us. So we have to calm down ourselves, come into the balanced state, distribute the work, and give the balance to our work style. So it will all, this the heart, physical heart problem will get settled down. Otherwise, the Hanuman is give the break to make the changes in this heart area. We have to take the Shiva's name on the left heart. We can see recite this Shivoham. Shiva's 108 names will help. Hanuman Chalisa doing so maximum times. Pull down the lever to pull down the right channel. So these all right-sided treatments we can do for these heart problems. Is there any Ayurveda for the blockage? Dr. Bandekar might give some appropriate medicine for this, but what I learned that this ginger is very good to dissolve the melt the clot. So if there is a blockage, in my practice, my doctor is actually recommend this home remedy that the ginger and the coconut we have to mix together and apply or make a pack on the heart area, and the patient gets a good result of this. So Dr. Bandekar is the right person to talk more about it. So I request Dr. Bandekar to
Yes.
give some Ayurvedic treatment for this blockage.
Yes, I will recommend Himalayas Abona tablets and Baidaraj or any pharmacy. You will get that Arjuna Rishta. The tree Arjuna is 5 elements. It means flower and fruits and bark and roots. All that contains in this Arjuna Rishta. So Arjuna Rishta is good for heart blockage and artery blockage, and Himalayan Abona. So you can write down these 2 medicine and you try it. Okay? Thank you, Mataji.